Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Welcome to our quick, easy facial massage with just hands. No tools or products required here. You will notice natural face lifting and lymphatic drainage benefits. You can do this routine as often as you like because it's super easy and fast. Let's begin. We're going to start from our neck area here, like this, one side. Switch. And now we're going to make our fingers like this. And now we're going to just use our two fingers here and gently massage the edge of your eyes in a lifting direction here, like this. And now we're going to do our forehead. I'm going to move my bangs aside and just make your fist like this, and we're going to go like this. Release. And now we're going to finish off with the lymphatic drainage. Switch. Release. Gently roll your shoulders back and down a few times here, bringing awareness to your posture, and release any tension you're carrying. Well, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Stay hydrated and blessings to you all. And Hazel says hello. Hazel, look. Bye-bye.